1 Bafana Bafana, 1 Nigeria. Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So namhlanje okhuluma ama positives nama negatives ale match lathi siyibuka namhlanje. Obekuwa ama World Cup qualifiers between ama team a strong impela la eAfrica okuyi Nigeria neBafana Bafana. First thing first, le game be physical kakhulu. Lama team o2 ane history between them. Yabo ayikho efuna ukuluza noma kungaboza yipi team, but mase ihlangene zo2 zenza show ukuthi kuyalinyazwana, zenza show ukuthi kuba khona umuntu oyedwa owinayo. But ke bekwama qualifiers bengekho ama penalty, last AFCON sahlowanisa ama penalty lapho khona sabonwe Nigeria iwina le match. So ngizokhuluma indlela iBafana Bafana approach ngakhona le game le. For me, I think Hugo Bros uyisabile Nigeria in a way. Yabo, I think we sabile Nigeria in a way. He was too defensive. If you look at back four yakhe ibinongezana who was very good. Usebenzisane kahle benalo mchita lo Umbokazi uze wathola man of the match, but ke ngisazokhuluma ngayo Umbokazi. When you look at the right back position, he was playing uMdunyelwa. Yabo, uMdunyelwa naye he was very good with first half. Umchita ke it's a P2 ulimalile second half. Let's hope he gets a speedy recovery. Wangena uMonyane na wenza kahle. Masuya lapha ku left wing back we were playing with Ukabini. He was a center back when he was playing at TS Galaxy. When he went overseas to play there, they used him as a left back. But again, yena we center back ngokudlala kwakhe. So singasho ukuthi besina center back amathathu emuva udungezana Umbokazi mase kubulo mjida lo Ukabini. Yabo. So to be honest, emuva best defensive kakhulu. And masubheka naseswini bedlalisa abantu oBus benoMokoena. Those two of those guys, they didn't rotate the ball kakhulu. Ba rotate ibhola kakhulu bekuzomakwa nje. Iyona gameplay nesibinayo because umubona indlela belibamba khona ibhola, belithatha ibhola lishaye kuma wingers, belithatha ibhola lishaye kuma wingers. In Nigeria they came with a game plan ukuthi asimageni Osuna Police was very instrumental in our last game against Lesotho. So they knew very well ukuthi kumele kuma Osuna Police kule game le he was very quiet. He was very quiet. Bebehleli kuyena mase kuthi unkoda uthole ithuba lokuthi a break away. Yabo, a break away adlale ngale position le yokuba wide. Kwashawa ibhola waba wide umchita sabona create chance kwabi on goal. Yabo, kwabi on goal olon Bafana Bafana alithola kanjalo igoli elishawa ubani oyikonke. Yabo. So thina to be honest asidlalanga leli bhola esijwayele ukulibona. Yabo, akusiyona le Bafana le ngijwayele le I feel like ucoach bezolanda idraw la. Yabo, we didn't look like we were too offensive. We didn't test kakhulu I defense ye Nigeria. Yabo, bezingayitest kakhulu because you saw in Nigeria after they got their goal. Igol labo li questionable. I don't wanna lie. Igol lesandla leli amasu uyibukele nje nawe uzobona ukuthi lela goal la alikho right. You can look at the goal here. You can look at the hand. They scored with the handball. Yabo. But again, I don't wanna dwell on it so much because I feel like ama defenders were ball watching. Williams, why Williams ehlele intini engaphumi yo punch iball? Yabo, why Williams ehlele intini? Question marks. We don't know. But again, it was a handball. But again, so dlula solithatha phela point because sidlala home and lama point lawa baleka kakhulu futhi because masubuke right now sina 17 points. In Nigeria inabani 11 points, iBenin 11 points. iBenin ke remember iBenin uzodlala right now they are playing with Lesotho. If iBenin a draw against Lesotho, that's a good thing for Bafana because we will qualify without even touching the ball. We will qualify for a World Cup. So right now let's hope and pray ukuthi iBenin neLesotho they play a draw. Let's hope and pray those two teams they play a draw and thina siya qualify kanjalo. Yabo, siqualify nje kanjalo mfethu. Angazi ngempela I so wish ukuthi iBenin iyadlala kiLesotho now sometimes. I don't know. Let's hope ukuthi baya draw. Let's hope nje. Ilo ekuthandazelayo. What is your take on Sipho Mbulu? For me uSipho Mbulu kule game le ubedlala kamnandi umchita. Yabo, unikezwe ithuba. I like the way that labadlali abanikezwe ithuba uHugo Bros and balithatha ngezandla zabo. If you look at uTLB Umbokazi, ulitholile ithuba walisebenzisa ngezandla zakhe zombili. Samkelo Ukabini ulitholile ithuba elinikezwe uHugo Bros walisebenzisa ngezandla zakhe zombili. Sipho Mbulu right now ukulimala bane kwalimala uzwane kwalimala uTito Maswangaye. Ukhethwe as a third choice. But indlela adlala khona umchita namhlanje niyibonile iquality yakhe. He was very good for iBafana Bafana. Even though umchita yabo like he's that player omdingayo egamini because uyakwazi ukubambela ibhola lisuka kalula kuyena ngase linoma yibuthi. And when you look at uThil Mbi uMbokazi, Thil B bafethu Mbokazi bafethu angifunishi ukukhuluma. The boy was the man of the match today. Angifunishi ukukhuluma. The boy is quality. He shouldn't be playing ku PSL. He shouldn't be playing with PSL. This boy, many people in are questioning his style of marking because on a strength. When you look at the team in Nigeria, they were using the power, they were using the strength, they were overcoming us. But when you look at Mbokazi, he was the only player beside Bafana who was strong enough to maintain ukuba strong kwabadlali beNigeria. Ubeqine ngempela emove. Yabo, makes one shoulder to shoulder. Other players Bafana bebekhala phansi. But when it comes to Mbokazi ngempela ubeyazi kahle ukuthi yini amele ayenze lapha emuva. So that is what I like about Mbokazi. Umjida udlale kahle kakhulu namhlanje. Another player ongidlalele kahle uTebogo Mokoena. Today uTebogo Mokoena was really good for Bafana. He was really good. For me, I think Bafana bemele introduce lo mjida lo Talente Mbatha second half because he was not complimenting Obas, he was not complimenting uTebogo Mokoena. I don't know. There was something that was missing in that midfield. That midfield was dead. But I saw uTebogo Mokoena working overtime. I think he was working alone. Indlela ade dlala ngakho uTebogo Mokoena kulesa siso. It was like he was working alone. Yabo. So Hugo Bros was supposed to introduce Talente Mbatha, not to introduce him that late. Yabo. He was not supposed to introduce Talente Mbatha that late. But again, we will take the point, we will go forward. Let's just hope the following game esoyidlala against Zimbabwe, esoyidlala against Rwanda, so was capitalize as a World Cup. But for me, I think the boys are going to the World Cup. I think the boys, this game right here, it was a must-win game for us. But yeah, it's best that we didn't lose. At least we didn't lose. That's the only takeaway I can say. I didn't like indlela approaching ngayo. That's the only takeaway I can say. Nigeria, but kusazoba nzima kakhulu for Nigeria njengoba number 2 nje kusazoba nzima for them to qualify for World Cup. Izinto mezimi kanje akukho mnandi for Nigeria. Should be told as akukho mnandi for Nigeria because when you look at indlela abadlala ngakhona, they have best players. Banabadlali abantswempu kakhulu, angazi noma mhlawumbe bayahluleka ukufilda abadlali ekumele badlale kahle. But bona kule game namhlanje babe ne game emnandi against Bafana. Even though we know ukuthi akusiyona a team ejwayele ukudlala kahle. Yabo, I saw that number 10, number 10 bamfaya second half. Lo amjida ubeyihlupha ngempela Orlando Pirates. Angazi lo number 10 bamhlaliselini ebenchini. Lo amjida number 10 angazi uba igama lakho kanje lapha kuma comments. Ubeyihlupha kakhulu Bafana since ubeyihlupha kakhulu Bafana. So ngangitshela bafethu ngokweni le game le ibinjani ngokweni. But for me Bafana la idlale kahle sakwazi ukuthi singagorelwa igoli lesibili because bebe ngqongqoza ngempela. And the ref, for me, I think the ref was poor. He was poor for both sides.